We about to bless the homie right now.
Oh, we gotta clean this first.
Let me put some water in.
Shout out to the homie for the alignment. Sick, fool. Thank you.
Check payment, fool.
Check it. No, le falta, güey.
Nah, le falta, güey.
Someone buy this, food for sale. Everything got a price. Which one goes first? For that one?
No, the other one. I just want to measure it. Présame la pinche.
I'm gonna hold it?
Yeah, hold it.
So just let them know, fool. This comes with a ticket too, fool, you know?
No. So I was thinking
Yeah.
how low bajar la otra.
Oh. Pinches tacuaches. Güey. No.
Lo que quedamos a medio té, güey. Oh, está igual, güey. Está
¿Igual?
igual.
Sácale todo el caldo, güey. This is a jam right here, fool. We get a copyright to this song, fool. Fuck it.
If it's singing.
Got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what?
Hey, you got some FD stickers?
Yeah.
Give me with the folk. They get the whole swing. Didn't even go to sleep.
Freaking fool. Mira nomás. For the baby spoiler, fool, mira.
Pásame la rag, güey.
Que me cuidan en el viejo. Un rey con los consejos, incluyendo los enfermos.
Hit this nigga on the DM, fool, he'll reply.
I reply to everybody's girls.
There you go.
That's it.
All his morritas too, dice.
No más.
Porque está placazo, güey.
¿Ahí o más?
No sé, este güey.
Tú mírale.
Poquito más, güey.
Dale más.
Right there. Puros yonkes, cuz.
I think necesito subirlo yo de mi side, ¿no?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But, you know what? Daniel don't have to move his. You can just crease it in the middle and move your... Oh, no, it'll be crooked as fuck, huh?
Yeah. Está muy abajo, ¿no?
Yeah, it is.
So, nomás bájalo.
Yeah, vamos por acá.
Don't ask me shit when it come to my set. FBG over your 100%. Yeah. 600 straight and I run it again.
In the whole nother league, go to Philly, then I go to Reddy's, then
Oh, you hear what that was at? Go to Finley's, homie.
Who's
ever been to Phil's for barbecue in San Diego?
Hey, some stupid ass vacuum hose would change the whole fucking vibe of the car. That's crazy, dog.
All right, go straight. Put your wheel straight. Put your wheel straight. That way. Just now that you're already on there. You're already on the floor. You're already on the floor. The wheel. Dale, dale. You're good. Aquí vienen los tacos. How's it feel? ¿Quieres ese Prius que viene? Hey. Sick Prius. Nah.
Where, fool?
Bro, right now when you took off, fool, it didn't even go. It was like.
Yeah, it took off, dude. I mean, it's slower now, though.
It was over boosting. This shit was like going to like 20 PSI.
Hey, that shit went like.
It is slower though.
Hey, wait, you know the secret? You know what the secret was?
Well,
Fucking banner, fool. The stickers,
banner, how do you feel, fool? How do you feel about
Happy,
that?
fool. I will feel you a lot. You already know that. It was the stickers, way.
Hey, how do you like what's it called?
Zoom in?
No.
Focus?
Focus.
It's a front one. It's a front one.
It's
This
like
one.
right here, way.
Video vlogging, food. Dude,
It's hard, way.
stick to manual, fool. Nah, it's not hard, fool. It's hard, fool,
It's not that
but
hard, yeah, but
it's
Hey,
still works out.
which lens is it?
por ahí solito, way, solito. Way.
Órale. I was doing all wrong this whole time. A ver cómo se mira mi pipi.
Huele a carne, güey.
It does, huh?
Están haciendo la carne asada.
It's a carne grill, güey. Yo, so I've had an issue with this car.
Where
We laid hands on it for like fucking, what, like 5 minutes, dude.
2 minutes, way.
Hey, it's just fixed.
Bring your
There
RB.
it was.
It was a sticker, way.
Thank you,
That was
dog.
a banner, dog.
Like, you don't fucking know, though.
Nissan certified, fool.
Hey, way. Tú nomás dale, way. Just move shit here and there, way. Fuck it. It works sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't.
So it does, sometimes it don't.
It's slower now, fool. No, like, it's slower, though.
Slower?
You know how back then we used to, like, taking a little, like,
Yeah.
now it's slower.
It was,
But it's longer.
It
Like
was over boosting, way, so it was cutting. It was cutting itself.
You know what I'm saying?
It was getting
Yeah.
ignition cut, and then just got rid of the fucking boost controller. Yeah, listo.
Ahora se quema.
Oh, I gotta fix the axle now, fool.
Órale.
Cause I can fuck it up even more, no?
Que todavía quema aceite esta madre.
So low key, Big Taqua was a little worried because his car wasn't working the way it's supposed to work. But yeah, we got it fixed. So ese güey me dio una mamada, güey.
Es que te baje los
Let's go
chores
cruise, güey, ¿o
ahorita.
qué pedo?
Tonight?
Damn, we a jala, Daniel.
Perfect timing, Carolina.
Perfect timing coming up,
Hey. Perfect timing.
What the baby saying, fool?
Ah, chingado.
Ah, what? Show him, dog. Show him how to set a fire, fool.
Put it underneath that.
She don't do nothing, fool. Oh, shit. A ver los calzones, bájale los calzones a alguien con esa madre.
Oh shit, watch out now.
Pelon got all scared, he fucking ran to the back. You see this? Yeah. And show him this gold at night though, look. It's nighttime, bro.
One day we're not together, but el otro día es like we are, güey. So it's like, wow, ¿qué pedo? So like, what do I do?
Tú chúpale, pelón.
¿Sí o no?
Baker.
That big ass store?
Not the anal drinking, the one across the street. That's one Smokies. La neta, I've never tried this shit, güey.
Mira. Está bueno, güey. First time this food
Pues carne asada, pero fría. Does it taste like bacon?
No, fue carne asada, fool.
La granchera.
Because I don't like bacon, güey.
Carne asada, fool.
La granchera.
Doesn't taste like bacon, it feels bomb.
What? Woo!
Son de brand, fool. Dile que le manden a este güey.
Tell them who sent them.
Te manden unos, güey.
Mándame unos, a ver si es esto. Send me some. Tommy's.
Right along.
Wow.
Right along, fool.
Alright, broskies, we about to head out. We're about to head out to a Corrupted Concepts meet. Listo, ¿qué, güey?
DC and AA, I think.
Vámonos.
I'm not too sure.
Vámonos pues. Gas station hangs. Alright, broskies, we made it to the Corrupted Concepts meet.
Yeah, I know, it's pitiful. That's how niggas get done. Fuck it all, I'm
Ahí tiraron los mecos aquí al lado, tú.
Pinche Alfonso, ¿viste la pinche on que me aventé, güey?
Ah, you should have told me.
Fuck.
Did you record it for Ninja? No.
Alright, broski, so we're fucking chilling at the meet, and fat ass fucking Alfonso, he's like, he's like, let's order a pizza, so we did. I got the munchies. So I don't know how this is gonna go down, because they might tell him, you know what, wrong, what is it? Wrong pinche way, pizza boy? Wrong location, pizza boy, so hopefully they don't kick that fool out. Find another way, Pizza Hut. My bad, I can't even fucking talk, man. Get pedo. My bad.
Nigga said, find another way, Pizza Hut, nigga. De volada bajaste la cámara, güey. Nigga fucking ain't put it away.
Right now, bro.
Pizza Boy's in again. What got la paloma?
Find another way, Pizza Hut. ¿Qué tiene que se cae ahí, güey?
Este me sigue llamando Armando, el culero. Armando, Amador, pendejo, güey.
Ya te voy a decir, hey, Armando. Alright, broski, I think the pizza is here. Is it that Camry? Yeah. We're like right in the middle of the train tracks.
My hand up.
Chingón. Ya llegó la pizza Hut. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, bro. Where's your sign?
No carton.
No?
It's gonna be 40 cents.
Chingón.
That was fast.
Do you have cheese and pepper? No? No?
That's for sale.
Oh, okay. Alright, thank you, bro.
For sale, I give you extra. We have one at the store.
You have to ask for it? Alright, bro. Thanks for coming. Ya se armó, güey.
That was fast.
That was really fast.
That was actually really fast.
Alright, broskis, we just ate. We're gonna leave before all the tacuaches get here. They're already coming. Look, troqueando cup. Troqueando cup. Vámonos pues. Vamos pues. Troqueando cup. Subaru